Now, the price of maize meal, better known to you and as unga ugali, in the shops has begun to drop as promised by the government. A 2 kilogram pack is now retailing for around 133 shillings on some brands, down from a historic high of 153 shillings just last week. This price is expected to drop further as soon as the Cereal Millers Association says that shelf prices are to settle between 115 and 125 shillings per 2 kilogram packet. This follows the millers receiving maize from the National Cereals and Produce Board. The association, however, projects that the maize being released now will only last members for 8 to 12 days, depending on market demand. Maize will be availed from the Strategic Food Reserve, but further lowered prices will only be seen on the shelves after a few weeks. This reprieve comes as the price of milk and some groceries has been on the rise. A half-litre of milk is now retailing at up to 63 shillings. This has been attributed to the effects of the ongoing drought.